This guide will help you adjust your daily limit settings on Kodi for a better viewing experience. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Open Kodi. Launch the Kodi application on your device. Ensure you are using the latest version for the best performance and features. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the main menu and select the gear icon to enter the settings menu. This is where you can find various options to customize your Kodi experience. Step 3. Go to system settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Select add-ons. Within the system settings, find and click on add-ons. Here, you can manage your installed add-ons and their respective settings, including any daily limits. Step 5. Adjust daily limits. Look for the specific add-on you want to change the daily limit for. Click on it, then find the option for daily limits. Adjust the settings according to your preferences and save the changes. After completing these steps, your daily limit on Kodi should be successfully updated. Enjoy your streaming experience.